So Logitech recently released a bundle of items that I think is really worth for a lot of players and so on, for just newcomers or for those who just want to save on money and not buy the most expensive mouse out there like the G902 or whatever model it was, and just want to buy just want to get a simple headset. This bundle is really worth. Now please note that this headset is a limited run, so basically if they are sold out, they are basically sold out. They are not going to be sold anywhere else. It is a limited run. It's a limited sales as well. It will be ongoing up to end of this year. So basically it will cost you $159. And disclaimers, I am not endorsed by Logitech or whatsoever. This is bought under my own funds. I did not source out for a partnership or for any proposal whatsoever. This is on my own. I basically spend my own money, and yeah, let's get started with unboxing, shall we? So what comes in the bundle is the headphone, the mouse, and the mouse pad itself. Now the headphone is the G233 Prodigy gaming headset. The mouse is a G502, which is a very popular mouse. Up to this day, Logitech still say it's one of the most popular mouse, and I will agree with them. It has tons of feature. And the mousepad is a G240. It's a very smooth mousepad. Unfortunately, it did not have with the stitching. I wish it did, because well, I would love the mousepad with stitching. So on the back in the box itself, it just tells you what is the product information, like the headphone, the mouse, and the gaming cloth. Like the G233 comes with a Pro G advanced audio driver. Basically, Logitech way of saying, yes, my headphones are pretty powerful. The G502, it comes with the G Delta Zero optical sensor technology, which is basically Omron's, I think it's Omron or other brands optical sensor. It has no lasers at all. You cannot see the lasers at all, which is a pretty cool thing, because yeah, and it's scrolling. The scrolling is pretty cool. I don't like you guys hear the scrolling. Let's see. Yeah, let me hear it. Let me hear legit scrolling. I know you can hear that. I don't think so. My mic is picking up, but you can hear this. This is the mouse click-to-click precision. This is a freewheel. You can't really hear. I try my best. You can't really hear the scrolling, the consistent scrolling, which is so fun. It's like legit. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. The first one is the mouse itself, the G502. Now the G502 has a braided cable, and it is a 16.8 million RGB. So there's also weight inside. You can put tons of weight inside. You can put very heavy or very light. The headphone itself came out second, which is the Pro G. So it is technically the G line from Logitech, and of course it is a G233 Prodigy itself. Now there is a soft cushion, and it's pretty soft actually. It's pretty nice. Of course there's only one color you could choose, which is blue. Yeah, because it's Logitech, so it's blue. The last thing I took out was the G240, which is the gaming mousepad. It's a cloth-based mousepad. It is very smooth, but I don't like it at all. I just took it out, lay it on my table, try it for a second. I gave it to my sister because I knew she needed a new mousepad. So upon opening the box of the mouse itself, it just comes with a cover on top. The mouse itself is not detachable. The cable is actually attached directly to the mouse, and there is a plastic of weights that you can just place in the mouse. So there's about like 5 weights where you can basically put. You can put all of them, or you can just put a few of them to make sure that your mouse feels pretty light and not too heavy, that your mouse can just lift off the table and flies off the table when you play ours. Yeah, true story actually. Upon opening the box, the plastic itself, with me trying to show you guys the Discord certified sticker, the camera doesn't want to focus, weird issue, and me tearing the box up, almost tearing the box apart. you see the headphone inside. Actually, it's pretty cool. Actually, it's soft. I would say it's pretty itchy for my ears. Actually, it's pretty itchy, and it's just soft, very soft. But I mean, the leather texture on the headset, so it's very itchy. If you guys want to find accessories, it's actually in the bottom of the cover. You just have to lift it off and do it like way. Upon inside the box, there is a few accessories. One is actually connecting to your PC, like it's from the top and down to the bottom. This is not USB. This is a 3.5 jack. So there is a microphone and headphone jack. Or you can just use the 3.5 to 3.5 jack directly. Now I rather recommend using the second cable itself because it's much more convenient and it works pretty well with PS4 and your headphones. And now it comes with the instruction manual and pretty much the warranty itself, which is basically a 1-year warranty. And upon taking out the plastic of the mouse itself also, it's a very simple unboxing. It's just a mouse and it comes with the, and me struggling to open the box itself also, pretty weird issue. It came after taking it out off screen, it came out pretty easily. You just have to take out the top cover and take out the mouse. And of course, I was still struggling to take out the mouse pad because it was pretty difficult. Now the mouse pad is, like I said earlier on, it was very soft. The bottom is just rubber, which is pretty cool actually. I like it that it's rubber. And of course, it comes with the important safety, compliance, and yada yada yada. It's like, I mean, you just bury me, man. The feeling of the mouse pad is just soft, like legit soft. It is so soft, I just couldn't use it. I took the mouse. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna try with the mouse pad. I was like, no, I'm not gonna use the mouse pad. It was so soft. It was so how do I explain this in words? It's just very uncomfortable. It's very smooth. It's not my best, so it was pretty horrible. I didn't like it also. I just nope, gave it to my sister. So this is pretty much the unboxing on the Logitech Christmas bundle. I mean, I do feel that it's a pretty good bundle that Logitech puts in, and the effort of just placing like the headset, the mouse, and the mouse pad right behind. So it's like, yeah, it's a very good package. It's pretty well done. The only thing I find it weird is that you just put the plastic on the headset and the mouse pad, but not the mouse. Weird issue. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a like if you like this video. Give a dislike if you just hate my voice. You just don't like me at all. I understand. Subscribe to my channel for future contents. I have a few more contents coming up in the lineup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.